Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by gathering the minimal gear: your iPhone 14, the Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter, and the SSD. Connect the adapter to your iPhone, then plug the SSD into the adapter. If the drive is bus-powered, make sure the adapter's Lightning charging port supplies power. Once connected, unlock your iPhone and watch for the Files app to detect the external drive. This step ensures the phone has physical access to the SSD and enough power to spin the disk. Once done, open the Files app and tap Browse to find the connected SSD under Locations. You can preview supported files, then copy or move items by tapping Select, choosing Files, and using Move. This organizes content without reformatting. If media doesn't play, install a third-party app like VLC or File Browser to read uncommon codecs. Make sure to maintain drive power during transfers. Interrupted writes can corrupt data. Also check that the SSD format is compatible. XFAT is best for cross-platform use. To finish, return to Files and tap the eject icon next to the SSD before unplugging. This prevents file corruption. If the drive fails to appear, check basics. Ensure the adapter's charging port is supplying power, swap cables, and try a powered USB hub. Reformat to XFAT on a computer if iPhone still won't mount the drive, but backup data first. Make sure iOS is updated, because software fixes improve external drive compatibility. This one tip often resolves mysterious connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.